Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Norelle here, and today's layout I am doing for a couple of challenges, and one I'm already late for, but anyway, story of my life. So I'm doing this layout for Mixed Medium Mayhem, and we need to use washi, glaze and sequins. So I have the only glaze I have, which is Distress Embossing Glaze in Salvage Patina. I got this in a bundle at a charity shop. It was like $5, and it was a big container full of distress sprays, Nuvo drops, embossing pastes, all sorts of things, and this was in there, which is good because I haven't actually bought any of this. So now I have this one, and I thought, perfect, I'm going to use it, because it also ties in with the other challenge that I'm doing this layout for, which is my colour cube challenge, and this is a card for February. So with the colour cubes, we can either use the colours as our inspiration and or the photo. So you could do a layout using this card, which is a beach scene or a tropical island or a holiday, anything like that, or a summer layout, and not necessarily use these colors, or you could combine both or just use the colors. So on the back of these cards there are the hex codes for them, and yeah, I really love these cards. They're by, oh my god, the name has gone far out, Sarah Renee Clark. Oh gosh, having a grey moment there. Anyway, so that is my February card, and I'm late this month getting this challenge done, but I'm doing it now. Alright, so for the mixed media, there's my glaze. I have sequins here. I don't know where I got these from, but I got a pack of blue and gold sequins. And washi. I have, sorry, a couple of different washes here, and this 49er market that I got from their, that's actually a fabric tape, but I'm hoping it's going to work. And be classed as a washi. Okay, so I got that in the mystery box that I got for Christmas. What else do I want to say? I have no idea how this layout's going to come together. It is photos of, which I can't show, my husband and my son on exercise equipment, you know, the ones you find in the park. Now, neither of these guys actually ever exercise, and they're not fit at all. But they got on and had to go on this equipment, so I thought, well, I need to take a photo of that because that was actually very funny. But I'm not showing their faces, so therefore can't share the photos. But I accidentally mounted the photos before I realised that I shouldn't have, so hence why they are covered in post-it notes. Yeah, so anyway, and for the distress glaze, I'm sorry, we'll get to scrapping soon. For the distress glaze, I'm going to try applying it to these two film strips that are already pre-cut using the Tim Holtz Alterations die called film strip frames. Oh my goodness. So my idea for this is to colour these with distress ink, spritz them, and then apply the Versamark and Salvage Patina embossed glaze, and we'll see if that works. I've never used this before. So I did watch a video though on Tim Holtz the other day when I saw this challenge and went, oh my gosh, I have that. I have no idea how to use it. Quick, let's watch a video so I can find out. So let's see if this works. You know, this could be a longer video, but I will speed it up, put music over the top, and come back at the end. Enjoy. Okay, there is my completed layout. So I used washi tape, glaze and sequins for mixed media layout, and I used this card from my Colour Cube challenge for this layout. And that I probably made no sense whatsoever, but I anticipate someone's going to knock on my door any second. That's why I'm hesitating. Anyway, yeah, so that is it. It probably looks a very busy layout, but I think the washi tape on the photos is not helping that at all. And I'm hoping when I take that off, it will look a little bit better. But I'm happy with it. It's hard to find embellishments for like active workout type of stuff. So sorry, I found these images and downloaded them. I went, yep, okay, that will work. Now what I didn't talk about was the other embellishments that I used, the doilies, etc. I just went through my brown and blue boxes, color boxes, and picked up things that I thought I could use on the page. I picked out a lot and I used not very much, but I'd rather have more options than not enough. I usually like to do things in threes, but I only have 2 cogs on here because that's all that was in my brown box, and I couldn't be bothered cutting anymore, and I went, oh, I'll make them work. And the doilies, technically I use 3 because these ones are cut in half, but realistically there's 4. But anyway, it all works out in the end, and I think it's okay. I actually have a journaling spot already on here, and I'm just going to jot down a few memories. And the title, Active-ish, because these two don't exercise at all at any time. So, yeah, and that's why it was apt that I found the funny dogs with the exercising, because it suits these two. They're exercising. Anyway, that's enough from me. If you've enjoyed this layout, please give it the thumbs up. And if you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.